Thanks for asking. My undergraduate college degree was in accounting. From there, I went on to UCLA Law School, one of the top schools in the country. Was fortunate to do well. But I realized when I got out how little you really learn about being a lawyer until you get out there and you start doing it, getting the experience. I was also fortunate for a number of years to be the chief financial officer, general counsel, and a part owner of a real estate development company along the West Coast, and used the accounting extensively in that, and also for a successful sale of that business. I've been practicing law, advising other clients for many years, and that's where the accounting is useful because we do a lot of buying and selling of businesses, advising clients in that. And that accounting background is just critical because your financial statements are very, very important when you're involved in those types of transactions. We really focus on business deals, setting up different types of entities like LLCs, corporations, nonprofits, everything that deals with business and real estate. We do an awful lot of buying and selling of businesses throughout the state of California. We don't get distracted by doing other types of law like bankruptcies, workers' comp, divorce, personal injury. We refer those out so we can keep our focus on what we do, what we think well, which is business deals, transactions, advising businesses. Yes, and to be honest, we hear that complaint a lot, and a lot of our clients who work with other firms, they would tell me, I could never reach my attorney. We are very accessible. All my clients have my cell phone, and we have emails, phone calls going back and forth because it's very important to us to keep our clients up to date, up to speed with what's going on. So not only will we be hearing from the clients, but the clients are going to hear a lot from us. Particularly when we're working on significant transactions, we're going to be communicating with the client a lot. We have a lot of deals right now. Every day I'm talking to the client and having drafts of documents, questions back and forth. That's a critical part of what we do. With us, never. As I tell the clients at the first meeting almost every time, I say, there is no such thing as a dumb question with us. And why is that? Because oftentimes this is the first time the client has ever been dealing with the particular matter, the particular type of transaction, and it's all new. And we don't want them to feel intimidated, embarrassed, shy about asking questions, so we make that clear right off the bat. There are no dumb questions. Our job is to be here to explain it, to make it clear for the client. And that's a very important thing because they're going to be making important decisions on whether to proceed with a deal or not. And you have to have good information and have a comfort level to be able to ask whatever questions you need to of your advisors. Yes, we do. It's a good question. We work right now on transactions in the Bay Area, in Sacramento, further north, Orange County, Los Angeles metro area, San Diego, Inland Empire, up in the high desert. We have deals that are going on and clients scattered throughout the state. And between video conferencing, emails, telephone calls, remote conference rooms, the days are really gone in many ways where you have to be down the street from your attorney or from your client. And so we do a lot of transactions remotely and it works very well. Yes, and we're excited about the series. For we know that when you're talking about buying or selling a business, from the seller perspective, a lot of times that has been their life's work, and the sale proceeds are going to be their retirement. For a purchaser of a business, that may be their life savings going into it, as well as personal guarantees and what they're going to be doing for the next 10, 20 years of their life. So these are critical decisions, and this educational series is to try to give more background. What goes in to that process? There's a lot of different stages to the deal, different types of documents, and sometimes that can be fairly intimidating, even scary, but yet exciting all at the same time. And so the purpose of our new series, Making a Deal, is to go deeper into it. So hopefully there's better understanding for both potential buyers and sellers. Well, and thanks for all the good questions. And by the way, there were no dumb questions there. Thanks.